In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Update error message. So if you're trying to update your Chrome browser and you're getting some kind of error, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and fix this. Now the first step is just to go and open up the Start menu on your computer. You can then search for services and click on this window. Now scroll down the list of options until you see a service called the Google Chrome Elevation Service. Now we're just going to double click on this, make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and then press apply and OK. We're then going to double click on this again and click on start, and that should go and start the service, and then we can press OK. Now you also need to do the same for these other two Google services as well. So these ones here are actually the updaters. So if I go and double click on this, change the startup type to automatic, press apply and OK, double click on it again and click on start. And then finally we can do the same for this last one as well. So just double click on this, change the startup type to automatic, click apply and OK, and then just go and start the service. Now once you've done this, you can open back up your Google Chrome browser, click on the three vertical dots, and then scroll down and click on settings. Scroll down on the left hand side and click on about Chrome, and you should now be able to successfully update your browser. If it's still not working, the final solution is just to go and open up your Start menu, search for the word settings and click on this window. From the left hand side, select apps, click on installed apps, and then just use the search box to type in Chrome. Now click on the three horizontal dots next to Chrome and press uninstall. Just make sure you have another web browser available, as we're going to need this to reinstall Google Chrome. Now once you've uninstalled Google Chrome, we need to go and open up another internet browser. So I'll just be using Microsoft Edge. And once you're on your internet browser, go and type in Google Chrome download and press enter. Click on the official Google Chrome website, and you can then press download Chrome. And by downloading this directly from the Google Chrome website, this is always going to install the latest version of the app. So you can simply click on this setup file and go through the steps to install this onto your system. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.